Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD menu bar icons missing on Windows 10 or 11 using the easy method. This is a great way to pull your hidden navigation buttons back onto your screen view so you can access your classic tool lists instantly. Let's get into it. Step 1. Type the menu bar command to force the links to show. The first step is to use a basic typing command at the bottom of your screen to tell the drawing software to reveal the traditional text menu row that usually sits at the very top edge of your window. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen layout, type the word menu bar, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Look closely at the small prompt input box that appears. Type the number 1 using your number keys and hit the Enter key one more time to lock it in. This is the start of everything because sometimes an update or a random wrong click turns off the top navigation row completely, leaving your screen looking empty. You have to run this basic number toggle so you can tell the program to bring back the file line. Without this step, you will keep staring at a blank space where your standard save and edit tool links are supposed to live. Step 2. Use the quick access arrow to toggle the display state. Next, you can use a quick mouse click shortcut at the very top corner of your screen to drop down the hidden display options menu and turn on the menu bar without typing. Move your pointer all the way to the top left corner of your screen window, locate the tiny downward pointing arrow sitting next to your quick save icons, and click it once with your mouse. Scan down the list of options that slides open, find the line near the bottom that says Show Menu Bar, and click it so a check mark appears next to it. This is a smart move because if typing commands doesn't work, this visual button acts as a direct backup path to fix your screen interface. By clicking this small drop-down option, you override any temporary screen glitches that were keeping your top text row hidden. It ensures a clean row containing the words File, Edit, View, and Tools appears right above your main drawing canvas. Now, you need to enter your deep layout customization window and tell the software to reload its original uncorrupted icon file template so your missing icon logos can draw themselves properly. Move back down to your bottom command line row, type the word CUILOAD, press your Enter key, look at the loaded files list inside the new pop-up box, click on the master customization file name, and click the Unload button. Right after unloading it, click the small Browse button at the bottom, find the master file named acad.cuix or ACAD inside your program folder, highlight it, and click the Load button. Because sometimes the text links show up, but the actual clickable picture icons next to them stay completely invisible or broken. By wiping out and reloading this core interface file, you force the software to refresh its visual memory card from scratch. It is the key step to getting the right output because it glues your missing icon pictures right back onto your top toolbars. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD menu bar icons missing on Windows 10 or 11, you must first type menu bar and set it to 1 to drop down your text row. Then you can use the top quick access arrow and click Show Menu Bar as a secondary visual switch. Next, you run the CUI load command to unload and reload your main interface files to fix the broken icon images. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.